Hey folks, I got this cordless hand vac here. This thing is awesome. I've been using it for about a week now, week and a half I think. I put this on, I do my stairs, I do the top of the baseboards, doing cars in between the seats, I did that too. I've done crumbs on the counter when you get crumbs on the counter. Let me show you how this thing picks up. Here, I'll show you inside. You can see hair and everything on it from my dogs. And that just goes back in there like that. It comes with 2 of the filters. I'm going to crush up some crackers for you, just so you can see. Got 2 speeds. First one is low. Second one is high. I have not yet seen a vacuum, a cordless handheld vacuum that was this strong on suction. This thing sucks up everything. And then you want to put a tool on there and get in a little hard to reach spot. It'll get everything everywhere. Like I said, it comes with 2 of these filters. You can just rinse them out if you need to. An adapter, an extension hose, a bristled brush that I use for like carpets, like on the carpets and stuff to get the hair off, and sucks it up. And it also comes with a cleaning brush to clean your filters out. Comes with the charging cable, comes with a carrying bag. It's around 50 bucks. I'll guarantee it's the best one that you're ever gonna buy. This thing has more power than most bigger uprights do. So get yourself one today. The link will be down below. I highly recommend this 100%. Get one today. Thank you.